Hi and welcome to this video. I'm Peter. I build custom scale model cars, RC cars for customers or for myself. In this video I'm going to transform this stock Solido Volkswagen Caddy to something special. It's 1/18 scale and it's already nicely detailed. So let's take it out of the box. The model already came with the right wheels for the car I'm going to build. Let's take it off its stand. Underside of the car is not really detailed, but yeah, we are not going to see that anymore later on. The car comes with opening doors and already a quite nicely detailed interior where we don't have to do much. The model even came with a little thing where you can open the doors with. But yeah, let's take it apart, because the car is going to be purple and some other details. The body is held together with a couple of Phillips screws. And the other parts, like the interior and things, are pushed together. So it's not really hard to take it apart. The interior is already the same as the real car, so I don't have to do much about that. But yeah, let's take it apart further so we can prep it for its new paint job. First, we're going to sand it. The real car doesn't have any rear bumpers or an antenna, so I decided to close them. I used some Bondo and after that I'm going to sand it, and after that I put on some primer. The thing I noticed was that the car was too high for my liking, so I drilled some holes to raise the rear axle a little bit to make the car lower. On the front I cut off a part of the shocks to make it lower. Bondo on the rear and on the antenna hole was dry, so it was time to sand, and now it was time for its primer. And when you're new at my channel and still liking this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, put on your notifications bell, watch my whole video please, you help me a lot. I put on 3 coats of primer. And when that was drying, I tried on the body on the chassis to see how low it is. And I painted the centers of the wheel silver. The display case arrived, so I have to try it. Quite nice I think. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. I drilled some holes in the display case so I can mount the car later on. And I painted the doors already in its new color. I liked sanding on the body and now it was time for its purple color. I put on 3 coats of purple for a nice finish. Now I'm letting it dry for about 24 hours before I'm going to put the car back together. I hand painted the window surroundings black and I put in the grille. The real car got tinted windows, so I have to do that also. And after that was done, it was time to put the doors back together. And when I was happy with the opening and the closing of the doors, it was time to put the chassis back on the body. I only did some front lights because in the rear I didn't have any space to put on some LEDs. So I soldered the wires in the stand and now it's time to put it back together. Just some final details left, like the license plates and a little polish, and with this the project is finished. I want to thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Watch my whole video please. Yeah, and I want to thank you. Bye bye.